My ex be fans of me. When it all got real, you ran on me. 3 months ago, cause stand to me. Now she wanna be a part of my fantasy. Feel so real, but how can it be? Not everybody I go chemistry. I'm in the low end randomly. But the west side of my family be. Keep that energy.
This is for my beginner girls, the girls who don't really know too much about makeup, the girls who are just trying to start and get in and look cute and presentable, but not spend 2 hours every morning trying to beat their face, not trying to go out to Sephora and spend $1,000 for a brand new makeup kit. No. Hi, my lovelies. My name is Ally B, and the B stands for Barbie. Like, comment, subscribe, because over here it's like a party. Period, period, period. As you're by the title and seen in the thumbnail, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get this flawless everyday makeup routine using only drugstore products, saving you some coins, still looking cute. And if you're interested in learning how to do this makeup look, keep on watching. So I got my makeup kit with me here. Shout out to my homegirl Jahira. If you're watching this, I love you so much. She got me this makeup bag. I literally have not used anything else since. This video is not about the makeup bag though, so let's get into the beat. Okay, first I have to put my hair back. I lost my hair clip, so we're literally just gonna do this tuck and hope that it stays. Because this is an everyday makeup routine, I want to use as minimal products as possible. I actually like to underpaint. So I start off with blush. We're not going to be using foundation. You can honestly blend this in with your finger. If you just watched my 4 a.m. get ready with me for work, you would see that I literally use my finger for that. I do go a little bit heavy-handed with the blush because we are going to cover it up with concealer, so don't be scared. Literally with makeup, you can make as many mistakes as possible because you can always redo it. Makeup is for us to have fun, play around, really express ourselves, and not really to be too concerned about if it's perfect or not, okay? I use the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in the color, what color is this? Coming in Hot Pink. It's a super bright pink blush. I love it. I think it looks really good on my complexion, and it works well for me. I actually stole it from my sister, but she doesn't know, so. You see how it's kind of blended here? That's what you want. Now that the blush is on, it's time to contour. I use the True Complexion Cream Contour Palette. I think this was literally like $10 on Amazon. These are the colors that it has. Mine is in the shade medium to dark because I am a melanated queen. You can get whatever shade you want. They have multiple options for multiple different skin tones. You can just find what works for you. I'm gonna go in with this blush. These brushes, I got it from, oh my gosh, shout out. I don't know, I doubt that she's watching this video, but my homegirl from high school, her name's Amaya, she got me like a big pack of brushes for my birthday, like, I don't know, 5 years ago maybe, but I literally still use them to this day. I love them so much. She actually, her makeup is fire. Oh my gosh. So I just take this and I blend it, and then I always like to, when I use a brush, I put it on my hand. So I blend it out on my hand to get off the excess. You see, I put it right where, you see where my skin is and where the blush is, to make, like, to blend out that transition, kind of just like that. And then I also put it on my forehead. I recommend always do your edges before you do your makeup. You don't want to be carving new edges in a fresh beat. No. And then I also do it under my chin, really like hide that double chin so I can get, okay, because I've been eating a lot of McDonald's recently, y'all. A lot of McDonald's, a lot of Dunkin', and I gotta stop, and I will, but not today. Now that we're looking a little bit odd, it's time for concealer. I have a bunch of concealers that I use. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Yo, my products, ignore them. They're a little bit messy. This is in the shade Medium Warm. It's low-key extremely light, okay? Right now it's summertime, so I try to steer away from that. Instead, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige. And it's one of those like clear things that you put on your hand, so I don't actually keep putting it on my skin, but right now my hand's working perfectly fine, okay? Daddy on a budget. Barbie on a budget. Barbie on a budget. But yeah, so with my concealer, I put it right under my eyes. And then I like to draw a straight line up like that. Same thing on the other side. On my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, right under my chin. Okay, then I go in with a second LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all, this one's done in, my goodness, okay? Ignore how it looks, but this is in the shade Fawn. And then I like to use this one in between where I just place the lighter concealer. I also like to put it here. So like, because we're not using foundation, you want to kind of make a transition for your skin to blend into. It's really hot. Oh my God. I like to let that set for a bit, and I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Okay guys, so my concealer has had a little bit of time to dry, so now it's time to blend it out. I'm going in with this big fluffy brush. Literally don't know where this is from, probably Shein. As a girl on a budget, especially my college girlies, I understand our budget isn't the biggest. So literally you just want to work with what you have. I'm not here to promote products to you. I'm literally just trying to show you guys my everyday makeup routine so that way you can feel cute too. It's back to school season right now, so we need quick, simple, easy, and affordable looks that we can do to look cute in school without blowing the bank. Obviously, if you want, of course, invest your money, spend it how you want to, but if you can't afford it right now, that's okay, because we're in the same boat, okay? So yeah, so like I said, I like to use a big brush. Well, today I'm using the big brush because I feel like it helps me blend all the products together because it's kind of getting everything at once. If you're a beginner, maybe use a smaller brush just so you can be a little bit more precise. But I'm not doing that and it still looks really good. Now it's time to set my face. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender. Now, before I blend under my eye with my beauty blender, I take my what's this called? Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. And I use the shade 312, and then I'm gonna go in with my powder puff. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Then I'm gonna dab out the excess. I usually do it on the back of my hand because this part of my hand is already covered in product. I don't want to accidentally get contour under my eye. That's crazy. Take your beauty blender. You're either gonna tilt your head down and look in the mirror so it's looking up, or you're actually gonna pick your mirror up and look up. Whatever works for you. Stretch your face out. You're gonna look a little crazy, y'all. Look up, keep looking up, keep looking up, keep looking up, keep looking up. Dab lightly, okay? We don't want to be stabbing our eye out, okay? And boom, just like that, y'all. Can you see the difference in the side that's been blended out with the pressed powder and the side that has not? Look at how the shine was completely taken away. The concealer is giving airbrush flawless, and that's a $2 concealer, y'all. Okay, the products don't matter, the technique does. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all the spots where I put concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. My face is powdered down, and I took off my lip combo because we are finally on the last step of this makeup look. I wanted to do my lip combo on camera with you guys so you guys can see what I do. I'm not gonna lie, I do use a lot of products, but they're all literally less than $5, so don't stress yourself out. And also, you can do whatever lip combo suits your face. Makeup is very customizable. This is just what I use, so this is what I'm gonna show you. I am a big fan of the NK lip products, so I use their red liner, their brown liner. I also use their liners in the shade Cocoa and Wild Cherry. These are their pencils, and then these are their like twisties. So I always start off my lips with a red base. Red might seem a little bit daunting, but I'm telling you, when you put the other products on top, it really pulls the whole look together. And I don't care how big or little your lips are, you better overline them lips, girl, okay? You want to get blah blah boom, okay? And when you overline, it just does that. Then I go with the brown. Then I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil in the shade Wild Cherry. And you guys see, as I'm layering the products, it's becoming less red and more like maroon, which is the vibe that we're trying to go for. And then finally, my last liner is gonna be the, again, NK, of course, NK lip pencil in the shade Cocoa. Then guys, we're gonna go in with our NYX butter glosses. I have 3 that I rotate in between. This one is strawberry cheesecake. This one is tiramisu, and then this one is fortune cookie. Today I'm feeling tiramisu, so that's what we're going to use. I like to put this in between my liner and the natural lip, just like that. Bop, 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 bop. Make sure you always pop, not rub your lips. Bop. Don't, that mushes everything together and you look like you got poo-poo on your lips. And you don't want to look like you got poo-poo on your lips, girl. Then we're gonna go in final NK product. This is the NK lip gel in the shade Strawberry. I really use these makeup products, okay? As you can see, they worn down a little bit, don't judge me, y'all. And then with this one, I cover my full lip. Okay guys, so I lost my setting spray. I need to buy a new one. This is where you just blend everything out one more time, make sure everything is looking good, how you like it, and then you're gonna set your makeup. I lost my setting spray like an idiot, so I need to go buy a new one, but you have yours, right? This is the one that I usually use, not Drugstore, so what I would recommend, one that's a cheaper alternative, is the L'Oreal one. I'm gonna put it right here as well. That one is a lot more affordable, and I heard that it works just the same. I have not tried it out yet, but maybe I'm gonna get that since I lost my other one and I need to stop spending $40 on a setting spray. Who wants to do that? Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Super cute, super natural. Definitely a quick enough makeup routine that you can do before class, you can do it before work. You would do this makeup look to run to the grocery store, okay? I tried to keep it super natural, super simple, super easy to recreate. It's not doing too much, but it's not doing too little either. Just a little umph to your everyday. Comment down below if you're gonna try out this makeup look. And if you made it this far in the video, comment this emoji so I know that you're a real one, period. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you are returning, make sure you like, comment, and hype, okay? I love you guys so freaking much. Like, so much. Road to 6K, and I'll see you in the next one. Always remember, I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Toodles! Am I the baddest or what? Like, oh my god, look at this beat, look at this beat, look at this beat, and it was cheap, look at this beat, and it was cheap, look at this beat, yeah, eats, ayy, we saving money, yeah, it's cheap, ayy, you know, I'm spitting straight heat, ayy, and my name is Ally D. Y'all, I'm literally a rapper, make sure you subscribe, love you.
High volume.
Am I really that much?